Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the list of all apps and let's find the contacts. As you can see here, we've got the list of contacts. Let's choose the one you want to edit, for example this one. Let's click on Edit Contact and let's tap on this camera icon. As you can see, you can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, or simply choose a photo from your gallery. So let me choose a photo. As you can see here, we will have all our albums, so simply tap on it and choose the one you want to use. And as you can see here, we can change our picture just like you want to. You can make the square smaller or bigger, and at the same time you can decide what you will see after saving the contact. Let me make it bigger, for example. Okay, I think it's quite okay. If you are ready with the customization, click on Done. As you can see, the picture has appeared here, and if you are ready, click on Save. And here we've got our photo added to a contact. Let's get back. And as you can see, it will also appear in your contact list, and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls or texting with this person. So that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.